In this particular setup, the random variable x represents the number of girls in a family with 3 children, and the probability of a child being a girl is 0.38. It says construct a table describing the probability distribution, then find the mean and standard deviation. Lastly, is it unusual for a family of 3 children to consist of 3 girls? So first, it gives us the probability of x, which is 0.38. We want to save that as p. So 0.38 store alpha p, enter. 1 minus alpha p will be stored as q, enter. Also bear in mind that the total possible number of girls is 3, so n equals 3. The formula is p of x equals n cx, which is a combination of n items taken x at a time, p to the x, q to the n minus x. On the calculator, here are 2 examples. P of 0 is 3c0, p to the 0, q to the 3, and p of 1 will be 3c1, p to the 1, q to the 2. These exponents of p and q will always add up to be your n, so 0 plus 3 is 3, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Also, this bottom right hand number here for the c0, that will be the power of p. So 0, 0. Here it's 3c1, so this bottom right hand 1 is the power of p. Okay, on to calculate p of 0, open parentheses, 3, math, go to the probability menu, and then select option 3 for NCR, and press 0, close parentheses, open parentheses, alpha p raised to the 0, scroll over, close parentheses, open parentheses, alpha q raised to the 3, scroll over, close parentheses, enter. Cool, so to 3 decimal places, that's 0.238 right here. Probability of 0 girls, 0.238. Next, try for 1 girl, so open parentheses, 3, math, scroll over to the probability menu, select 3, 1, close parentheses, open parentheses, alpha p, since it's raised to the 1, we don't have to raise it to a power actually, close parentheses, open parentheses, alpha q squared, close parentheses, enter. So the probability of 1 girl is 0.438. There we go. Probability of 1, 0.438. Next, for 2, open parentheses, 3, math, probability menu, 3 for NCR, and then 2, close parentheses, open parentheses. In this case, it's going to be p squared, so alpha p squared button, close parentheses, open parentheses. Now since it's q to the 1, we just enter q, close parentheses, enter. So the probability of 2 girls is 0.269 when rounded to 3 decimal places, so p of 2 is 0.269. Lastly, to calculate 3 girls, open parentheses, 3 math, PRB, 3 for NCR, and then 3, close parentheses, open parentheses, alpha p raised to the 3rd, scroll over 1, and then close parentheses. And then just so you know, any number other than 0 raised to the 0 is 1. So in this case, q to the 0 would be 1. So press enter. Probability of 3 girls, 0.055 when rounded to 3 decimal places. Then stay tuned for part 2.